artists. Today, let's draw Ronald Rhinoceros. A big, friendly rhino who loves to play and explore. Let's make our Ronald look amazing with our pencils and creativity. Rhinos are strong, but they're also gentle giants. Did you know they're famous for their big horns? Rhinos are some of the largest land animals. Some weigh as much as a car. Rhinos have thick skin, but it's surprisingly sensitive to sunburns. They love mud baths to stay cool and keep bugs away. A group of rhinos is called a crash. How funny is that? Do you think Ronald has any rhino friends? What would their names be? The eyes of Ronald are open now. Ronald is enjoying exploring his surroundings. Rhinos can run fast, up to 30 miles per hour. They've been around for over 50 million years, longer than many other animals. Rhinos use their horns to dig for water and defend themselves. There are 5 species of rhinos, and 2 live in Africa while 3 are in Asia. Cool! Ronald Rhinoceros looks so strong and friendly. Let's add some amazing colors to make him come to life. Grab your crayons or markers, and let's make Ronald as colorful and unique as possible. Despite their size, rhinos love to eat tiny plants like grass and leaves. What do you think Ronald's favorite food is? Grass, leaves, or ice cream? Baby rhinos are called calves and love to stay close to their moms. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button for more fun drawing adventures. If Ronald had a favorite activity, what would it be? Running, swimming, or dancing? Where do you think Ronald lives? In a jungle, a zoo, or a magical land? Do you think Ronald has any rhino friends? What would their names be? If Ronald could talk, what do you think he'd say to you? That's nice. Our Ronald Rhinoceros looks fantastic. What a friendly and fun rhino we've created. I had so much fun drawing with you today. I'll see you next time for another amazing art adventure.